Today we have this very quick unboxing of the brand new DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is the Fly More bundle, which comes with a few more accessories, and we have the remote controller which has the built-in screen. So I'm really excited about that, but we also have some accessories, namely the wide-angle lens and the ND filter set, which we'll open in just a second. So let's start with the drone first. And as usual, we have this little bag, DJI Bag, for your shoulders, which is a very traditional piece of equipment that comes with pretty much any drone nowadays, especially the Fly More kit. So opening that, and then we'll see straight away our brand new remote controller. This is the DJI RC2 with a built-in screen. We have the batteries inside this charging cradle, the drone itself, and I think that's it, unless there is something in these little pockets, which there isn't. We have some spare props inside this little pocket here. Always good to have. A USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. A USB-A to USB-C, again for charging, depending on what accessories you want to charge. A small screwdriver for removing and attaching the propellers. Of course, we have these booklets here, a quick start guide, but that's pretty much it. I will keep that on the side. And these you already saw, so I'll just put them to the side as well. And let's start with the most boring part, obviously. This thing right here, the batteries and our charging cradle. We have a power button here, we have an in and out port. So this is what the USB-A is for, and this is what the USB-C is for. So you can charge your remote at the same time while charging the batteries as well. So that's pretty cool to have. The batteries seem exactly the same as the ones before, which is good news for everyone just upgrading from the Mini 3 Pro, for example. If you have many of these batteries, you will be happy to hear that they look exactly the same. Now, let's just open the remote. This is such a satisfying process, unboxing things for the very first time, seeing them brand spanking new. So this is the DJI RC2 with the antennas on top, exactly the same remote as we saw on the Air 3, but this is the new design from DJI. This is what they're going to use moving forward, because this supports DJI O4 transmission system, which is obviously a lot more superior compared to the previous version. This is why it needed these antennas for this improved setup with 6 total antennas and a much improved range. And finally, of course, we have the drone itself. The DJI Mini 4 Pro. And I'm surprised to see that it comes with these prop holders. This is a pretty cool design to actually hold the props in place. This is something that I don't think we've seen on a mini drone before. And we have also another gimbal protector, the Mini 4 Pro, in all of its glory. We have it right here. Yeah, that looks sexy as hell. I cannot wait to start flying this, which I will do pretty much straight away after finishing this video. And now we have these obstacle avoidance sensors. The back ones are actually here on the front, which is super cool to see. I mean, it makes sense, but yeah, obviously they don't have the space to put them here on the back because of those vents that are cooling the drone off. So now we have these here on the back, which is super nice. If they work properly, should be good. It looks weird. It's like a little alien that has eyes on the front and on the back of its head, but if it works, that's all that matters. Now let's open up the case with the ND filters. It's a pretty small case which holds 3 filters only, and we have the ND16, ND64 and ND256. It's an interesting choice from DJI to put an ND256, as usually you don't really need that. I guess maybe for some long exposure photos or for some other scenarios where you really need a dark glass on top of your lens. ND256 could be useful, but there it is. And as you can see, we have some little letterings on the left side of the filter, so you can easily tell which filter is which. The letterings are not overlaying your image, obviously, so it is a pretty cool feature to easily tell which filter you need. And now we have this attachment. This is the wide-angle lens for the Mini 4 Pro. And it's always good to have a wide-angle lens like this. Obviously, when you don't have different focal lengths on the camera, you're stuck with just one. And if you are maybe in a tighter area and you want to capture something a little bit more wide angle, this is going to give you that focal length with a little bit more area in your shot. So it's always good to have. I'm not sure how often I'm going to use that, but it's good to throw in your backpack with the other stuff for the Mini 4 Pro. And when the situation comes, you can use it and, you know, have that advantage in your sleeve. So this is it for now. This is everything from today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, guys. Let me know anything you want to know about the Mini 4 Pro and browse my channel for more Mini 4 Pro content. By now, I have posted a lot of videos on it, and I will be doing that for the upcoming weeks as well. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.